What's going on, everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to replace the remote battery in your 2017 Lincoln MKZ. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote. There's a button right here that we're just going to push, and then you can pull out the emergency key. Now we're going to remove this back cover right here. I'm going to use a small flathead screwdriver to go ahead and pry that off. There's a slot right here that's going to aid me in that. I'm just going to go ahead and just pry it right off right there. And here we go. Here's what the battery looks like. Turn the remote upside down. There's another slot right here that's going to allow me to pull the battery out, get a new battery. And here's our new battery. It's going to be a CR2450. That's the size, and the positive sign is facing us. I'm going to leave links down below that take you to Amazon for new batteries if you want to get some batteries or check that out. But we're going to put it in one side here like that, snap it in, get the cover. The top side of the cover goes in first, actually. Let me just snap it on, and then you can get your emergency key and just place it right back on, and you're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you liked and subscribed.